In this video, we'll talk about inheritance. So when you talk about OOPS concept, OOPS has multiple features, and one of the most important feature we should be using here is inheritance. Now what is inheritance? You can define inheritance in different way. So concepts are same, but words matters. Now when you see here, inheritance is something like when you have a specific code, when you, let's say you have three classes and all these three classes have the same code or they have the common code. So what you can do is you can just fetch that common code outside your class and you can save that data in a superclass. So you can save that members in superclass. So when one class inherit from another, the subclass inherit from superclass. So that means you can when you inherit your the class which inherits is called a subclass and the class which is inherited is called a superclass. And in Java, to define this, we use a keyword called as extends. So let me use a pointer. So in Java, we use a keyword called as extends to do that. So I hope you're familiar with C++ in which you use a colon. In Java, we use extend. So let's say we have a class A and class B, and class B inherits members from class A. So we need to write class B extends. We need to write class B extends class A, or we just have to write extends A. Now, so an inheritance relationship means that the subclass inherits the member of the superclass. So you can inherit all the non-private features. That means you can fetch protected values, you can fetch public values, and you can fetch default values. Now in subclass, that doesn't mean if you have all the members in superclass, that doesn't mean you cannot have new things in subclass. If you are defining something in superclass, you can define the new methods and new instance variable in subclass. Also, you can override the old methods. Okay. And when you talk about inheritance, basically you have two types. One is A and second one is has A. So let me use a pointer here. So inheritance, we have two things. One is A and second is has A. Now what is A and has A is, let's say you have a class dog. So dog will extend animal features. So all dogs are animal, and that's why we say dog is an animal. So that means there's a class called as dog which extends a class called as animal. But let's say you want to use a feature of, let's say, bathroom in and a tub. So you don't say bathroom is a tub. Bathroom has a tub. So if you have a dog, obviously you have an animal with you. But if you have a bathroom, obviously there will be a tub. So that doesn't mean bathroom is a tub. That means bathroom has a tub. So you have this two relationship, is a and has a. So whenever you work with extends, you're working with is a. And whenever you create an object of a class in another class, it is has a. So if class B extends class A, so class B is a class A, which means class B is a subclass of class A. And this is true for anywhere in the inheritance tree. That means if you have a class C which extends class B, so class C passes the is a test for both class B and class A, which simply means if you have a subclass C which extends B, which also extends A, so indirectly class C extends class A. So this is the concept of is A and has A in inheritance.